everyone, this is Miss Mara and welcome back to my channel. Today we do have a large toy that we're going to be unboxing, but before we get into that, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you know when I have new content out. I post a new video or live stream every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. Go ahead and follow my socials at Mara Domina for daily news and juicy updates. I also have a monthly newsletter at dominamara.com, so go check that out after this video. I have 3 membership tiers here on YouTube. You can find that on my About page. Go ahead and click there afterwards to join. Alright, so today we have Tantaly. I think you guys have seen me unbox the female version of it a couple years ago, and this time we have something different. So let's see what we have in here. This thing is so heavy. I don't know if I could even pull this out by myself, but we will try. No, I can't. Alright, I need a little bit of help to take this out. Anyway, so this one actually comes in its own case, which is fantastic because you can carry it around if you're strong enough to lift this. So let's see what is inside. Alright, we've got the maintenance guide, which is great, as well as a life magazine. So cute. We also have a similar bag to the cleaning kit, which we'll see later on, and you can put the contents in here as well. Oh my goodness, it's like an ice chest. Anyway, here's what it is. Oh my god! It wiggles. Okay, well, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I will have to dress him before I reveal him to you. But essentially, yeah, we've got a giant male toy this time. Oh my god. Ugh. Ow! Yeah. I want to take this time to go over the cleaning kit. You can find this online on their website as well, and it can clean any of their dolls. Are the things that are included with the cleaning kit. There are 2 of these, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to use one. First off, we're going to have this one. This is actually for slippery stuff. You could actually siphon some in here and then actually push it into the toy wherever you need it. It's also got a cap after you've washed it to store. Then we've got this, which is kind of a cleaning douche. You can squeeze water into this vessel or actually pour it in here. Stick this onto it. Insert this into any area or orifice that you need to. Squeeze the water in there for cleaning purposes. And lastly, to dry everything out, these are drying sticks. You could literally just insert these into any orifice and then leave them in there for about an hour or so, and they should dry, and you could take them out and let it air dry even longer. This is a beautiful bag that comes with everything where you can literally just put the contents inside and carry it with you. Okay, everyone, so meet Mark. He is a male torso that has a 9 inch, maybe? I don't know. Like, what is that size? 7 inch? I think the palm of my hand is 7 inches. I don't know. That's not including the testes. And yeah, he's olive skinned and has nice pecs with perky moves and a very jiggly butt. I would turn him around to show you. Kind of. He's so heavy. Oh my god. But yes, so this is a new toy that I have. I don't know what else to say.
Okay, so Mechanic Mark is 33.7 pounds and is made out of TPE material. His rod is 6.7 inches long at 1.8 inches wide. His hole is 0.3 inches in circumference, but it can stretch, and it is also a 5.7 inches deep. Check out those back muscles.
So Mark has a very realistic package, as well as veins that go all the way down to the scrotum, and behind that is a very tight hole where you could play and do a lot of stuff with. I feel like this type of doll is very, like, the skin texture is pretty realistic in the sense where it's like soft and cushy. I think the abs and the muscles have like some sort of realism because no shape in nature is fully straight, and neither are we. Yeah, I feel like this doll can fulfill a lot of fantasies in any positions, as many positions as you want. You could even dress him up. You could put a little suit on him, make custom clothing for him. You could put different types of underwear on him. There's a lot of variations that you could do for him. I can even put a harness on him if I really want to, you know, probably a collar with a leash. You know what? Let's do it. So I actually have a harness here because this is the ones that a lot of my subs use. I just need to remember how to put it on. I believe it's like so. And so we're just gonna put this on him. It might look a little big, but you know, we'll see. Like so. Okay, it's like really big, but it could just be like ornamental. Doesn't have to be super fitting. You can just like make him have it like that. And just put on the last ones. Like so. So cute. Look at that. You can dress him up. Even on the back, he's got like like that. So cute. He's got twink vibes. Okay. And then we've got this. We could put around him like so. Okay, looking good. I like it. And lastly, we have to have the leash. Look, he's ready to party. So cute. Oh my god. Look. Honestly, you could also, you know, if you're into CBT, you could do that too. I mean, it's just so, there's so many things, right, that you can do. Yeah. You could also put a mannequin set on top if you really want to do. If they're there for show and you're like, they're in the corner watching things happen. So yeah, this is Mark. You can find him online. I have linked everything in the description box below. This is my promo code. You can use it if you'd like for a discount. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share so that other people can learn where to get their own dolls. If you haven't checked it out yet, there is also a Channing, and he's got the Magic Mike look on their website as well, so go check that out. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. I post a new video every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, or I live stream. Go ahead and check out my social media at Mara Domina for daily news and juicy updates. I do have a monthly newsletter on my website, dominamara.com. And don't forget, I also have 3 membership tiers here on YouTube, so go check that out on my About page. Alrighty, and until next time, Keeping kinky, everyone. We can actually siphon some, oops. We've got this. It's so heavy. I don't understand. I feel like I'm carrying a real, like a real femboy. I don't know. There's a lot of things going on right now. This would never happen with a real sub, but they would still have a head. But yes. Subscribe and click the note. Oh, also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it so that other people can learn where to get people. Wait. Where you can get your own doll. Hold on. Okay. If you like this video,